to just go back to this diagram that we had drawn a couple videos ago because I want to add to it. First of all, I want to add something that I forgot last time, and that's that I really should have put some arrows to indicate the direction of travel. That was implied because I know that time increases from 0 to 2 and then from 2 to 4, but it's nicer for my reader if I include those arrows. So I should have done that last time, and I apologize for forgetting. Second, though, I want to add to this the information that we just found, which was where this was speeding up and slowing down. Now, it happens that the time we changed from speeding up to slowing down happens to be time 2, which was when we also changed direction. If I had a situation where maybe I changed from speeding up to slowing down at time 1, what I could do is somewhere along here add the point, label it as time 1 to indicate that's where I was at that moment of change. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to indicate when we were speeding up and when we were slowing down by color coding it. If you remember, we had determined that we were that we were slowing down from time 0 to 2. So I'm just going to color code that in red, and then I'm going to just have a key over here. Red means that we were slowing down. And then we determined that we were speeding up over the time interval from 2 to 4. So I'm going to color code that in blue. And I'll indicate that blue means that we were speeding up. Okay, now I did that with colors. As you're doing this, some of you may have crayons or colored pencils or things lying around. Others of you might not. So there's more than one way that you can do this. I could, if I wanted to, just write in, slowing down along this time interval and speeding up. That works just fine. So that would be another option. Or I could, instead of using colors, I could use a different sort of a line. I could do something like, okay, I'm going to be slowing down when I have a squiggly line, something like that. Okay, but I may very well ask you to draw a diagram like this where you do find some way of showing me the intervals where we're speeding up or slowing down. So I just wanted to show you how that could be done.